Built by the Odia dynasty in the 14th century, Mysore Palace underwent significant renovations after a fire in 1897, leading to its current structure completed in the year 1912. This grand palace reflects a mix of architectural styles showcasing Indo-Saracenic design. The Mysore Palace is famous for its stunning architecture, featuring intricate carvings, vibrant stained glass, and magnificent domes. During Dussehra festival, it is particularly breathtaking when illuminated with thousands of lights, attracting visitors from around the world. The sacred Chamundi Hill has been a significant site of worship since ancient times, with the Chamundeshwari temple at its summit believed to date back to the 12th century. The hill is named after the goddess Chamundi, who defeated the demon Mahishasura, who is integral to the city's identity. Chamundi Hill rises majestically over Mysore, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the city. The temple is a popular pilgrimage destination known for its stunning architecture and peaceful atmosphere. Constructed between 1933 and 1936, St. Philomena's Church is named after Saint Philomena. The design of the church draws inspiration from the Cologne Cathedral in Germany, making it a notable colonial era structure. Saint Philomena's Church features striking neo-Gothic architecture with tall spires and intricate stained glass windows. Built in the year 1921, Lalita Mahal Palace was commissioned by Maharaja Krishnaraj Odiyar as a guest house for British Viceroy. Lalita Mahal Palace is one of the most stunning architectural gems in Mysore, featuring striking white exteriors and beautifully landscaped gardens. Inside, the palace boasts lavishly decorated rooms and ornate furnishings reflecting the grandeur of royal life. Established in the late 19th century, Kya Circle was named after Maharaja Krishnaraj Odiyar, who significantly contributed to the modernization of Mysore. This circular junction was designed to improve urban planning and facilitate traffic flow in the growing city. Kya Circle serves as a key landmark in Mysore, surrounded by lush gardens and important buildings, acting as a hub that connects various parts of the city. Its architectural charm and bustling atmosphere makes it a focal point for both locals and tourists. A large head has been catching people's attention at All Indian Institute of Speech and Hearing in Mysore city. The big head is in fact a museum built in a Ayush Speech and Hearing Hospital campus. One of the major rivers in southern India, Kaveri, has been revered for centuries as a lifeline for agriculture in Mysore. Originating from the Western Ghats, the river flows through Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, supporting numerous communities along its banks. The picturesque riverbanks are dotted with farmers and plantations, showcasing the harmonious relationship between the river and agriculture. Farmers in the region rely on its waters, and the Kaveri holds cultural significance, often celebrated in festivals and local traditions.